here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Everybody, we are looking at the threat of some showers and thunderstorms late this afternoon through this evening. That's why we are under a slight risk of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center. So this risk is actually higher than what was issued yesterday. I think the showers will be less widespread. What I'm saying is I don't see hours and hours of rain like we had yesterday, which wasn't necessarily a bad thing, although it did come in a little bit earlier than I wanted it to. Today, more likely those scattered strong storms in some spots. Other spots, you maybe get no rain at all. Let's show you what's happening on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. We have the showers and storms here in upstate New York. They have a way to go before they reach our area. And if you're wondering about the humidity, which many people are this time of year, humidity will continue to rise today. So it starts to feel pretty muggy by this evening, starting first at the coast, and then inland spots even pick up some of that humidity. Then watch what happens. Look at Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See how we're kind of between humid and muggy? That means it's not going to be excessive humidity, but it's not in the comfortable category either. Sort of typical summer weather here in southern New England, so you may need that AC to run at times when you're sleeping overnight, but again, no nights that are ridiculous where you have those dew points in the mid-70s, which is really, really oppressive. Fortunately, we do avoid that this week. All right, Providence shows a pretty nice view of the capital city and North Scituate. Blue skies this morning. Easton's Beach in Newport. You know, sometimes this camera can be quite foggy. It's nice to see pretty good visibility here. I did see some low clouds hanging out near the Newport Bridge, so while visibility isn't perfect, we don't have the thick fog right now that we sometimes get at this hour in the morning in the summertime. Temperatures in the upper 60s in Newport, 66 westerly, 64 Block Island, Smithfield you're at 63 with breezes fairly calm. Right now we're at 3 miles an hour in Providence and 3 on Block Island. Notice the wider view. Here comes that front spinning in from upstate New York and the Great Lakes. As that pushes through late day, that could act as a spark for some of these showers and storms. But here's the situation. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I think we're still dry. Now, if you have grilling plans, maybe having someone over for a cookout, something like that, there may be a few moments where you have to duck inside and take cover from some of these showers and storms. But I do think this particular model has the right idea. Things very scattered and isolated. Now, don't take this too literally. This little cell here could end up in northern Rhode Island or even in southern Rhode Island, but I like the idea that a lot of the area stays rain-free, and every once in a while you get a quick downpour, gusty wind, or maybe even some hail falling. That's kind of the situation that we have this afternoon where things can change quickly. This continues into the evening, 8-9 p.m. Still can't rule out some showers and storms. A few are actually possible overnight, but the general trend will be to clear things up by tomorrow morning. But here's the thing about the weather pattern this week. A few more showers and storms could pop up by Monday afternoon. You can see them starting to spin in here from central Massachusetts. So it does stay unsettled, although it's not a washout in the forecast for Monday either. At the beach today, some of our south coast beaches will have a moderate risk of rip currents, so be mindful of that. Temperatures in the upper 70s with partly sunny skies and some showers possible late in the day. Although I think at the beach, our chance of showers this afternoon is lower than for inland spots today. That is good news. Along Narragansett Bay today, waves around 2 to 3 feet. High tide 2:31 in the afternoon, low tide 7:33 this morning. Temperatures low to mid 80s for inland spots, upper 70s to low 80s for the south coast with those breezes coming in from the south, and then overnight low temperatures going into the mid to upper 60s. So I mentioned it stays unsettled for the first part of the week, and temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. By the end of the week, I do see a bit of a warm up, especially on Thursday. Mostly sunny skies, high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. You can always get more updates on the WPRI 12 weather app. And we'll be posting more updates throughout this afternoon and evening, especially through social media and through our mobile app as warranted should those storms fire up.